All right, so the paperwork that you should have got with this is right here. So you should see your installation kit. It tells you to return your old modem if you had an old modem. It tells you where to find the Wi-Fi credentials, which is not there, by the way. And it tells you quickly how to install it, which is very easy. We're gonna go through that. You will also see this. Most of you will not use this splitter. That's if you guys have other stuff, then yes, you will require the splitter, which does come in, within your package. Right here, it is just for you to write down your Wi-Fi and password. That's for you to have it written down somewhere. Now here is the installation kit. So this is the splitter. We are not gonna use this because we do not need it. All right, so as for the modem itself, you guys will notice here it's gonna say Wi-Fi. All these lights will turn on at a certain time. And then, like I mentioned before, on the back, you're gonna see all your ports. So these are all the ports. This is for your electricity. That's for your actual internet. That's where you're gonna hook it up. Right here, you guys do have these ports. That's either Ethernet or you guys could hook it up to a router, but this is a router basically. We have USB, and then if you guys have home phone or anything like that, which most people don't anymore, on the bottom, like I mentioned before, you would see this. So your Wi-Fi will be down here. So that's my Wi-Fi network. It's gonna give you all the information that you guys need. So that includes the password. So that's very important for you guys to have. This right here, QR code, is important as well, and all this information. But the most important information up here. So you might want to take a picture of it or just write it down somewhere. So the installation is very easy because all we are gonna have to do is just plug this in, your electricity, and then that would be it technically because you already have your Wi-Fi password and your Wi-Fi network. But if you guys want to change the Wi-Fi network and password, you can do that within the app itself. So make sure to go ahead and download the Cogeco app right now. Even before setting this up, that's the first thing you should do actually, is download the app from Cogeco so you guys can handle everything that comes with this. So you guys can change the Wi-Fi name plus the password if you want to. I highly suggest doing that. But anyways, inside a little box, you should have got this. This is the adapter for this. So here we go. This is the power adapter. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see the details of it, just in case you want to get a replacement. But if you want to get a replacement, just contact Cogeco. So besides the adapter, you do get 2 of these. Now you're only gonna need 1 of them. Some of you, if you have cable itself and you need the splitter, you already have a splitter, then yeah, that's why you guys get 2 cables for it. But for most of you that are just installing this, just this cable and that's it. So this is the main one that you want. And you might notice a few details right here as well. So they're gonna be right on the side. That's how you know which one it is. But anyways, so what we're gonna do is just hook this up here. Once it's hooked up, we're just gonna go on and plug this in. So for that, we're just gonna plug that in here. And to turn this on, all we have to do is just plug this into our wall outlet, and that's it. It's gonna power on by itself. So there's technically no way to even turn this off unless it's unplugging it. That's truly turning it off. And to turn it on, all you have to do is just plug this in. You're gonna see power, and then some lights will start to go on. So you also got an Ethernet cable. You guys could plug that in there if you guys do have something else like a router. Again, this is a router itself as well. It's a modem and router together. But if you guys have another one, you could plug it in there. Or if you guys have Ethernet cables already go directly to your computer, this is where they would go. All right, so where do you plug this into? Well, in your home, you will have to find a place. I'm gonna show you right now. It's usually in your living room. That's where you plug this in. And then you just go like that. And then it's all plugged in. So I'm just gonna show you that right now. Where's mine and how it looks like. All right, so at first you should see a blue light. That's okay for online, and then it should go green. What you're aiming for is green, so just wait for it to boot up the whole way. All right, so it's okay during the process if you guys see that it turns off, turns back on, as long as you guys get it to this point where it's a green light on online and then Wi-Fi is blinking green. Now you guys can hook it up. So you, as mentioned before, you guys have the password and Wi-Fi name, so just go ahead and hook it up right now. So that's what we're gonna do in the computer. All right, so on your phone or your tablet, just download the Cogeco My account. and then just open it up. All right, so make sure to create an account if you haven't created one. Log into it, and then go into your settings. From your settings, go right into your Wi-Fi. In your Wi-Fi, just look for that Cogeco. So again, the exact Wi-Fi is going to be different, yours than mine. And that's going to be on the bottom, just like I showed you before, what the Wi-Fi network is. You will have the password also in your modem on the bottom, just like I showed you before. So just tap on it, and then just put in the password. Once you put in your password, just go ahead and press right here to connect up. At this point, it's going to say joining, and then we can go into your app again. So how do we know that we're connected? Well, you should have a check mark that says connected. So you go ahead and go into your app. Now in the app itself, you're going to see support. And from there, you're going to see this, Wi-Fi, self-installation. Just tap on self-installation. It's going to technically tell you everything I just said. But anyways, just tap on internet, and then you're going to see this. And basically, it's going to tell you everything that we just went through. So how do you know which one you have? Well, besides the picture, just look below your modem. It's going to tell you exactly which one it is. In this case, it's this one. So here we go. Right here, you're going to see this YouTube video. Then if you keep scrolling down, it's going to give you every single thing that we just went through. So I just wanted to show you that. But right now, technically you have internet, and that's why you guys can actually go in here. Now, if you guys want to change the name and the actual password for your Wi-Fi, which most of you should do, and make it personal, it's extremely easy. And remember, once you do that, you have to remember your password and what your Wi-Fi is. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so the next app that we need is Cogeco Wi-Fi. So just press on get and download that one. Once you open it up for the very first time, just sign in. Now make sure for this, you do need to create an account. So if you guys haven't created one yet, you should create an account now. Or there's another way. I'm going to show you that right now. All right, so in any web browser, whether that's Safari or Chrome, on any device really, go into this address right here on your web browser, okay? So that's going to bring you to this website. From here, leave the username as admin. Password will be on the bottom of your router. So again, your password will be the exact same thing as the Wi-Fi password that you guys saw on the bottom of your router. So that said, once you guys go here, you can change it all up. You guys can configure some guest stuff. You guys can change your passwords, names, and all that stuff. And it's very, very easy. You guys can even show the passwords and all that from here. So that's it. To change anything, just tap on the Wi-Fi, for example. And then from here, you can put the password. You guys can change the name and everything else from here as well, even the security. So to change the name, for example, just click there and then just go ahead and type up any name that you guys want. So once you put the name that you want, you guys can go ahead and change the password, same thing, tap there and then just change it up. From here, put in whatever you guys see there and then tap on save. Once you tap on save, it's just gonna take a few seconds and then you're gonna be done. So you guys can change all the passwords you guys want, all the names that you guys want, then close this up and just hook anything up to your Wi-Fi networks. You're pretty much all done. Anyways, as far as this video goes, you're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write there and hit the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.